Our team is a global collaboration comprised of 4 students from Stanford University, 4 students from Aalto University in Finland, and UNICEF, who is our corporate sponsor. Hi, my name is Blake.
Hi, my name is Jana.
And we're Team UNICEF from Stanford University.
Hi, my name is Annika. I'm one of the members of the teaching team for Emory 310. So I help coach the 8 different design teams through this 9-month-long process, getting from all the way from ideation and conception of a design all the way through the spring quarter implementation.
In October of 2012, we began our project by picking a focus area. We decided to focus on sanitation in an attempt to design an in-home solution that would allow for waste containment, management, and disposal. We developed several prototypes that tested subcomponents of our proposed in-home toilet, and then finally we created a first iteration prototype laying out how a complete and final product might look. However, after 2 months of researching sanitation, prototyping our ideas, and collaborating with UNICEF, we decided that although sanitation was important, the problem space was saturated, and creating an in-home solution might not be the best way to reach our intended users. In January, we decided to focus instead on diagnosing pneumonia. This switch was made based on direct talks with UNICEF about what they felt was needed in the field. With that in mind, we developed a device to automatically count breath rate in children with the intent of making pneumonia diagnosis easier on untrained or undertrained healthcare workers, especially in rural areas. During our developing process, we tested our prototype at a kindergarten at Stanford University, and then later in the field in Ibadan, Nigeria. The breath counter and sensor itself proved to be successful, but while in Nigeria, we quickly discovered that this was not actually addressing a need, as the health workers there were both well-trained and pneumonia was rarely seen. In order to create a user-centric design based on actual needs that were discovered in the field, we felt like we had to make a change. On our visit to Nigeria in March of 2013, we discovered the main problem handicapping the healthcare centers in Nigeria was that there was a large gulf between the healthcare system and the community, especially in terms of vaccinations. We noticed that the polio vaccinations were by far the most successful due to the fact that the vaccinations were done inside the community rather than just at the health clinics. In April, after we had returned from Nigeria, we felt the need to address the problem that we observed. With this in mind, we decided to find a solution that could bring vaccinations into the community. Our current design is for a backpack that contains a climate-controlled container to preserve vaccines, as well as all the equipment necessary for doing a vaccination drive. The backpack focus is to encourage the healthcare workers to visit the villages, and our goal is to make these visits as comfortable as possible. By bringing the health workers into the villages themselves, it makes vaccines more accessible, especially in rural areas. The device also increases the comfort level of the villagers with the healthcare system, as they are not forced to go to unfamiliar places where they may feel uncomfortable or powerless. We are now working on developing this backpack so that we will have a complete and fully functional prototype by June of 2013. Along with our prototype, we will include a business plan discussing how we expect our project to be implemented and also scaled in Nigeria and also other third world countries.